Hello, thanks for joining us again for another video tutorial. In this video, we'll be taking a look at reference drawings, how to add and convert these from DWG format, and we will also look at how to add these into your project to utilize your reference drawing when modeling. To help speed up the conversion of any DWG format files into Vertex BD for use within your projects, it is necessary first to convert these from DWG into the Vertex proprietary drawing format of VXP. Firstly, start with dragging the DWG file into Vertex BD from its file location on your PC. You can then choose if it's reading a 2D drawing or 3D model, if this option is active. Choose the DWG conversion process, choosing default, and then select OK. The DWG will then open in BD. Once this opens, we then need to save the file as a VXP file, as this will stop it converting the DWG file each time you open your project. To complete this, select File, Save File As. With this being used as a reference drawing for your project, we need to make sure we save it with the original project's files. First, we go into the Shared folder, then Projects, then into the project folder itself, where we will look to save the file within the ref folder located within here. BD will automatically open this location whenever adding in the reference drawing to your layers within your project. Now here, enter the file name for your reference drawing and change the Save As type to the option of 2D drawings, VXP, and then select Save. Once completed, we can now add the reference drawing to our project. With the Modeling tab selected, choose the Reference Drawings menu, where you can select the reference drawing command. Selecting File, we can then see previously used reference drawings, or this button here will allow us to select a reference drawing from our reference drawings folder we mentioned previously. From here, select the reference drawing you would like to use and then choose Open. Once that is selected, you can then give your reference drawing a description if required, and below this there are further options within the reference drawing column. Select Location will snap the origin location of the reference drawing to the cursor for easy placement. Having this unchecked will place this at the project origin. Use Reference Color will bring the drawing in a pale blue color, which is easily distinguishable from other line drawings. You can also control which drawing layer the reference drawings will use if different from default. Freeze reference drawing will save a local copy of the project so that any changes to the original drawing are not changed within the project. Finally, the Visible Layers column allows the user to choose what layers are brought in from the original drawing. This will allow you to easily select from the imported DWG layers themselves or the Vertex BD layers. Once you have finalized all options, select OK and the reference drawing will then be attached to the cursor for placement. Before doing so, the right-click contextual menu can be utilized for a variety of options if required, which includes options such as rotate, mirror, or rescaling the reference drawing. We can then place our reference drawing in the required location. With the reference drawing placed, we can then begin setting up our wall attributes. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll be showcasing how to do this. Thanks for watching.